How to use a gift card on Amazon. If you want to use a gift card on Amazon, you can simply open up your browser or Amazon.com, or you can use the app. Now we will actually use our gift card during the checkout process. So assuming you have added the products that you want to buy to your cart, so click on the cart icon from the top right, and I will just normally proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, it will ask you to choose between the payment methods. So currently I have selected my debit or credit card here. But what you want to do is select this option that says use a gift card, voucher, or promo code. So click on the use a gift card, voucher, or promo code option instead. Then after that, you can see this option that says your available balance, and you can enter a gift card, voucher, or promotional code. So simply make sure to enter your gift card code here and then just click on apply button. Depending upon the value of the gift card, it will be successfully used to buy this product right here. And this way you should be able to use an Amazon gift card. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.